Hello everyone, I'm happy to see you here once again. The educational series, has provided an informative and useful video about health insurance. Here, we will try to cover all about health insurance, including what exactly is health insurance, when to purchase health insurance, what are the different types of health insurance and what is the process by which consumers purchase health insurance coverage, and much more. For your kind information, this series has been made only for educational purpose. For any doubt, you can use the comment section. We will try our best. Let's get right to the topic without wasting any time. What exactly is health insurance? Insurance that pays a portion of the cost of a policyholder's medical expenses is referred to as health insurance, also known as medical insurance or healthcare insurance. The specifics of the insurance policy, as well as the amount of money the policyholder must pay in copays, deductibles, and co-insurance, are determined by the policy's terms and conditions, with specific rules and regulations applying to some plans. You may be faced with insurmountable medical bills if you do not have health insurance and you require medical treatment. You may also encounter situations in which medical providers refuse to treat you if you do not have insurance. If you don't have health insurance, you'll only be guaranteed screening and stabilization in a hospital emergency department. If your ability to pay for the care is in doubt, the provider has the final say on whether or not you should receive treatment. Even if your out-of-pocket costs under the health plans that are available to you appear to be prohibitively expensive, having a health insurance card may mean the difference between being able to obtain care and not being able to. In addition, it is critical to understand that you cannot simply purchase health insurance when you have a medical emergency. The annual open enrollment period applies regardless of whether you're purchasing your own coverage or enrolling in a group health plan offered by your employer. An enrollment outside of that window is limited to special enrollment periods triggered by qualifying events. When to purchase health insurance? You can enroll in health insurance through the annual open enrollment period, which runs from November 1st to December 15th in most states if you need to purchase your own coverage. However, several states offer extended open enrollment periods, with some states extending them until the end of January. In some cases, you may still be able to make changes to your health insurance plan after the annual open enrollment period ends. In the event that you are turning 65 and are eligible to be automatically enrolled in Medicare, you will receive your Medicare card in the mail approximately 3 months before you reach the age of eligibility. In addition, the annual open enrollment period for Medicare Advantage and Medicare Part D is open from October 15th to December 7th in every state, except Alaska and Hawaii. Individual and family plans, short-term plans, Medicare plans and even small group plans can all be obtained using this tool if you're ready to start shopping for health insurance coverage. What are the different types of health insurance? It is possible to obtain various types of health insurance in the United States, including both public and private insurance coverage. Employer-sponsored private health insurance is available, as is private health insurance purchased on an individual or family basis. Members of the armed forces and their families are covered under TRICARE, and federal employees are covered under the Federal Employees Health Benefits Program, FEB. In most cases, managed care models, HMOs, PPOs, EPOs, or POS plans, or sometimes a hybrid model, are used by both public and private insurance plans. In these models, a private insurer manages and oversees the provision of services, the quality of care provided, the reimbursement system, the provider network, and rules such as prior authorization or step therapy. If you're in the individual or family market, all major medical healthcare plans with effective dates in January 2014 or later are governed by the Affordable Care Act and are required to be in compliance with its provisions, regardless of whether they're sold through the marketplace or outside of it. No matter what kind of medical history an applicant has. All of these plans are guaranteed to accept him or her as a member. Insurance is only available during open enrollment or during a special enrollment period triggered by an event that qualifies as an exclusion from coverage. Despite the fact that grandmothered and grandfathered plans are still in effect in many states' individual and small group markets, these plans have not been able to enroll new members, with the exception of new family members or new employees on existing employer-sponsored plans, since 2013 or 2010, respectively. Healthcare plans that are not in compliance with the Affordable Care Act are also available, although the majority of them are better suited as supplemental coverage rather than as standalone coverage. Unlike long-term health insurance, which is available in almost all states, short-term health insurance is intended to be used as a standalone policy, but only for a short period of time, and with the understanding that it may have significant coverage gaps. What is the process by which consumers purchase health insurance coverage? If you don't have access to health insurance through your employer, you'll need to shop around for individual and family health insurance on the individual and family health insurance market. It is possible to visit your state's marketplace or exchange to see what options are available to you as well as how much the monthly premiums would be. Even if you aren't eligible for premium subsidies or cost-sharing reductions, you should consult with a broker to see if there are any additional plans available in your area that aren't offered through the exchange. When it comes to enrolling in health insurance, you can enroll on your own if you feel confident in your ability to manage the process. Nonetheless, the services of brokers and enrollment assisters are provided at no cost, and they can assist you in managing the enrollment process. Medicaid coverage may be available to you in your state, depending on your income and where you choose to live. As soon as you determine whether or not you are eligible, your state's marketplace will direct you to the Medicaid application portal. There are people available in your state who can assist you in completing the enrollment process and answering any questions you may have. Similarly, if you're eligible for Medicare and don't have supplemental coverage through your current or former employer, you'll most likely need to seek out supplemental coverage on your own, either through Medicare Advantage or Medigap, as well as Medicare Part D coverage. Finally, in this whole series, we discussed about health insurance, including what exactly is health insurance, when to purchase health insurance, what are the different types of health insurance and what is the process by which consumers purchase health insurance coverage, and much more. Hope you understand and found this series more informative and useful. Thanks for joining us. Hope you have a beautiful day.